Before we get started, does anyone want to get out?
All right, well, here's another project I thought you might like to see. This one I use the Kaizen sheets or panels, and then that way I could get them in these thinner cases, because I ordered 2 different thicknesses of the Kaizen foam. Once again, I'm going to go back to my original gripe that splitting the layers apart is really a pain in the neck, and it makes it kind of difficult, but it just takes a little tinkering with it and stuff. So that's just one of my pet peeves with it, I guess, but I still love the project. There's my 1911s. Yeah. So these were some kind of cool cigar cases that I had. Came with 10 cigars in them, and I saved them for years because I knew one day I'd do something with them. So I thought, well, let me put the 1911s in here with the 2 clip, and get this looking cool. So getting the clips laid out here. I had this thing running as fast as it will. I didn't do a time lapse. This is just speeded up. So it could be a little faster because no need to watch me farting around with that stuff. But all in all, it makes for a very nice layout. I'm actually wondering if I can paint this Kaizen with a paint that won't eat the styrofoam or whatever it's made out of. I think it's a closed cell foam. So I'll have to look into that, because I was thinking I could take that out and then spray it. Yes, there's his and hers. So if I could spray paint it, then maybe I could do like a real cool camo over that, and then set the guns in there. That might be kind of cool. If anyone has painted that kind of foam, definitely let me know in a comment. So as you can see, it's the same as doing the camera case that I did recently. And I wanted these to look a little nicer. I had to shave the foam down to both sheets were a little thick to shut the lids on it, so I had to take off a layer on one, and then the other one was too thick for the lid, so I actually took it and kind of split it in half using a knife, and then they fit in there pretty nice. That way it holds everything in there nice and snug and happy. I don't think anyone would be disappointed using this product, because it makes for a really nice look. There, we slowed it down a little bit now. Excuse me. So I laid them out kind of left to right, just so they would look cool. And there's mine and my wife's. His and hers. When the government says you don't need a gun, buy 2.
We've made too many compromises already. Too many retreats. They invade our space, and we fall back.
I'm your huckleberry.
The line must be drawn here. This far, no farther.
That's just my game.